Hey my friend, it's Brando Linick here, and you're looking for ACN recruiting training, right? This is an awesome, exciting search. It shows me that you're kind of dipping your toe in the water, wondering how exactly you build your ACN business. And that said, I can definitely help you out with this, having been involved in the network marketing industry throughout the last 14 months, and prior to that, building brick and mortar businesses throughout the last 3 years. It's actually kind of the same principles that apply to both. And I'll tell you, having gotten around people who've made anywhere from $1,000 a month to $10,000 a month to $50,000 up to and over $100,000 per month in their network marketing business. It doesn't really matter if you're an ACN, it doesn't matter if you're in another deal. It's relatively the same principles that apply when it comes to recruiting people, okay? And I'll tell you, each and every single one of these top earners, each and every single one of these people who have made money understand what it is I'm going to share with you here. And that is, if you want to be able to recruit people, whether it's with ACN or another network marketing business, you have to have a big sphere of influence. You have to have a list of contacts that you've built up throughout the last 3 to 5 years. And if you don't, you're going to struggle. You're going to grind it out in ACN or any network marketing business, and you're not going to be able to recruit. So my friend, if you're someone who doesn't have a big list of contacts, if you don't have a big sphere of influence that you built up throughout the last couple of years, just personally what I've done going back in the last 2 months is, after struggling with this for months and months and months, almost a whole year, I decided to switch myself and look online for a solution. And I came across a guy who was getting the results that I wanted in a way that I wanted, and I married old school and new school together, and I started leveraging myself through personally branded systems online, and I was able to now recruit a person a day, 2 people a day. So this stuff does work. It can work for you. I'm not going to tell you that, online is the only way to go, because that'd be a bunch of BS. But I am saying this, okay? If you're someone who doesn't have a big list of contacts, you don't have a big sphere of influence, okay? You should seriously learn how to leverage yourself through personally branded systems online. It's by far the best medium to go out there and overcome the problem that so many people have, which is running out of prospects, running out of people to recruit way too early on in their business. So my friend, that's just my tip of the day. If you want to learn more about how I'm bringing in a person a day, 2 people a day, and how you can for ACN or any network marketing business, you can click the link down below. You're going to see 2 things there. You're going to see another 3-minute video from myself going in step-by-step detail how you can do this to get the results you want, and then after that you're going to see personal testimonials from people who I've worked with. And that said, have an awesome day.